How to grow spinach at home. Spinach is a cool climate vegetable related to beets and Swiss chard. A quick developing plant, it yields many leaves in a quick time inside the moderate weather of spring and fall. Whilst developing spinach, the trick lies in making it last as long as viable, particularly in the spring, when lengthening days shorten its life. Even though it prefers full solar, spinach will nevertheless produce a respectable harvest in partial shade. Spinach grows most quick in properly tarred soil wealthy in natural matter, which includes compost or composted manure and with a pH of 6.5 to 7. As a way to develop spinach twice at 12 months, plant it approximately 4 to 6 weeks before the closing frost within the spring, and again 6 to 8 weeks earlier than the primary frost within the fall. Space vegetation 12 inches apart, this gives leaves room to reach full length. One clean growing alternative is to plant spinach in pots full of the top-rate quality potting blend. Inclusive for you to provide roots with just the right environment for robust growth. Warmth and long days will cease your crop, so plant as stated above. Pests that revel in spinach consist of flea beetles, spider mites, and aphids, which feed on the leaves. Diseases that assault flora are downy mold, a mold that can seem during cool, moist climate, and white rust, which reasons white spots on the leaves. Spinach leaves are equipped to reap as quickly as they're large sufficient to devour. Harvest by putting off only the outer leaves and allowing the center leaves to grow larger. This will allow the plant to maintain generating. Choosing the outer leaves also gives the advantage of in brief delaying bolting. In spring, whilst plants are about to bolt, pull the complete plant at once to enjoy the leaves before they become sour.